Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how I blow dry my hair using all the new MONAT products and tools. So first of all, I'm going to prep my hair using the smoothing anti-frizz smoothing primer. It is a new product, the Studio 1 line that MONAT has just launched on Black Friday. It eliminates any frizz and just makes your hair super soft, shiny, and not frizzy at all. And then I'm applying the Thermal Protect Shield. This product is absolutely amazing because it protects your hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is insane. And it does not have any silicones or waxes. And then I'm applying the Reshape Root Lifter spray on my roots, and honestly having really fine and limp and yeah, like hair like mine. I am normally really nervous applying anything so close to my root line, but with Root Lifter I'm okay because it does not weigh my hair down. Actually, none of MONAT products weigh my hair down, so yeah, I love them. And I'm using the brand new blow dryer, Studio 1 MONAT. Again, it is absolutely awesome. I want to say it's awesome because it's super light. It's super lightweight. Like, it's so easy to hold, and I'm a little bit awkward here because this is the first time I'm using this particular blow dryer, but yeah, I really enjoyed blow drying my hair with it because it's super light, it's easy to handle, and actually blow dried my hair super fast, which I was like, what? I was done in about 10 minutes. But normally it takes me at least 20 minutes to blow dry my hair. So yeah, it doesn't seem like I have a lot of it, but I do have a lot of it. So just section my hair and just blow dry those little sections, just using the round brush. This brush is also super nice, super handy. Again, it's the first time I'm using these tools because I just literally got them on the Black Friday deal. They're not available for sale at the moment, but hopefully they will be. So yeah, I'm just trying to get closer to my roots just to get that volume. For anybody who has really fine limp hair, they will know the struggle with getting their hair to be voluminous a little bit. Yeah, but Reshape Root Lifter is doing its job. It just gives me that extra volume around my crown area, around my roots. So yeah, I really like this product. And like I said, again, it does not weigh my hair down. I can still go for 2-3 days without shampooing my hair, which is amazing. I used to shampoo my hair every single day before I started using MONAT. So this is like a big deal for me. So I'm just using the round brush to create a little bit of the angle too, and just give me that little curve at the end of the hair strand. And again, going close to the root line so that I can get that volume. Again, finishing off the other side. Super easy. Honestly, I'm still like blown away by this blow dryer. Even my stylist friends that are using exclusively MONAT products, they all got this blow dryer, and oh my gosh, they all are saying that this is like a pro grade blow dryer. So I'm pretty happy with the deal that I got on it. So I'm gonna be just sitting here super happy. So I'm just lifting the roots a little bit more so that I get a little bit more bounce and volume. I always like to do this at the end when I blow dry my hair. Just gonna finish it off a little bit with that volume because that's where I normally have to finish blow drying my hair because it normally is still wet around my root area. And then I'm using this so cute little styler. It's like a little curling, or not a curling iron, it's like a flat iron, also by MONAT. It's a travel size one, but it is so adorable, and it's so handy because it's also kind of like curved a little bit, so it's rounded on ends, Just a really nice tool that you can get and throw in your suitcase whenever you're traveling. Like literally, if that's the one tool that you're gonna take, it's all you need on vacation or wherever you're going, somewhere on a business trip or something. So I'm just finishing it off a little bit so that my hair looks a little bit more polished. There's no frizz. As you can see, the anti-frizz smoothing primer has done its job. And then I'm going with Sculpting Taffy. Restyle Sculpting Taffy by MONAT. I'm just finishing it off so everything stays in place. You like the product, and obviously I always finish off my hair with 1 drop of Rejuvenate oil. Literally, you don't need more than 1 drop because it is extremely concentrated. And Refinish Control Hairspray. I absolutely love this hairspray because it's so lightweight. I can brush my hair. It's not sticky, it's not tacky. It just gives you that flexible hold, but your hair feels like hair, if that makes sense. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!